So I start off my day by going to CLDPR. It is a showroom where influencers can go get gifted clothes or loan dresses for events and shoes and things like that. And then I made my way home. I picked up some packages. I got back from the showroom and I'm just now opening up a few packages. I have some laundry to do. So I did some chores. I also got these mason jars to put my hand soap and dish soap in there, so I filled those up. I had someone come over from TaskRabbit to mount my TV, and then I went to Same Day Health to get a COVID test. Buenos dias. Good morning, everybody. How is everyone doing today? I am supposed to make a right turn and I am in the very leftist lane. Okay. Driving in downtown is just another thing, you guys. Oh, there is like a lady stopped him in the middle of the street. I'm telling you, driving in downtown, you guys, it's a whole other thing. So I just got a COVID test because I leave for Florida tomorrow. I'm going with a brand called CALIA. They are a athletic brand. I believe they sell in Dick's Sporting Goods and other retailers, but they're launching a golf line, and golfing since 6th grade has paid off because now I'm going to Florida with brands. When I told my dad that I was going on this golf trip, he was so excited. So if you don't know, my dad is like this uber, like, just golf lover, and he actually is a certified teaching pro in the state of California, which is really cool. He did like a week-long test thing in San Diego. It was awesome. My dad was just so proud to see that I am going on this brand trip. And then right after, I go to the Billboard Music Awards, which is why I went to CLDPR showroom yesterday to go pick up some dresses for what to wear on the carpet and stuff. I'm really excited. Right now I'm headed to get brunch with my friend Anthony and Francis. We're gonna hang out a little bit and then go to a showroom, an EVERLANE showroom afterward. Also, if you haven't already seen my Coachella vlog, I worked really hard on that vlog. So please, if you're watching this and you haven't seen that, girl, I'm telling you, that video is probably better than this one because I like downloaded all these crazy like green screen effects and like, I don't know, I'm really proud of that editing. I'm gonna get off of this and focus on driving, and I will see you guys at the restaurant. Look who I'm with! And Kumo!
Oh,
It's Kumo's world.
It's his birthday today.
It's your birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kumo!
Happy birthday!
Kumo! Oh, happy birthday!
Just cleaned his face.
It's Kumo's birthday.
The girls are girling. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, you give the commentary. Give the commentary.
The girls are girling. The bags are bagging. Bag to bag.
The girls who girlin'.
The girl who girlin' weren't. Kumo bear. Come on. Oh my god. I'm screaming. After brunch, Anthony, Fran, and I went to EVERLANE in Arts District to go pick up a few items to shoot. And then I went to the nail salon. This is going to be a separate vlog video, but this is the following day and we're headed to the airport. Hi guys, so we made it to Orlando, Florida, and now we are getting ready to go to dinner. I'm wearing this really cute dress. I will make sure all of the outfit details are in the description box. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Yeah! This is my manager, everyone. We're kind of matching. Hello! Oh my gosh, wait, your outfit is giving. I love it. Oh my gosh, and this is Bijou. Say hi to YouTube. Ooh. Say hi to YouTube. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go to dinner now and I will see you guys at dinner. I thought this was funny and very thoughtful that the guy working there put a step so that it wasn't such a far way down. I really appreciated that. But this was the dinner that we had on the putting green of the Ritz-Carlton golf course in Orlando, Florida. And the view was beautiful. The food was amazing. I do get a little bit of social anxiety meeting girls for the first time, you know, on these events and trips and things. But I had a really great time. It was a great group of girls. And I just had a really relaxing weekend with all of these girls. And, you know, we played a lot of golf. We weren't the best, but we tried. Okay, so I got my nails done yesterday and I already like broke 2 of these crystals, so they're gone. We have this lovely nail tech. Do you want to give us your handle?
My Instagram is muñecas.beauty, MUNECAS.beauty.
Wait, can I see your nails?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh my gosh.
I need a fill, but
wait, but still, this is amazing. You do this yourself?
Of course.
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I literally called her up and I was like, girl, please, we need to fix this. So here we go. I know it's extra to get my nails done in my hotel room like this, but it was bothering me so much and I needed it done before billboard. So thank you so much, Sierra. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, amazing. So this was the following morning, and I just have to say, at this point, you know, I haven't been to a ton of PR events and brand trips, but of the ones that I've gone to, CALIA really paid attention to every detail and, you know, was so quick to meet all of our needs and make sure we were comfortable. And I really appreciate that. I think that a brand trip and that experience is a reflection on the brand. So I highly recommend checking out CALIA Golf, exclusively found at Dick's Sporting Goods. I honestly had such an incredible time. Like, you guys, look at this lunch table. It's on a green mat, and there was a lip balm, and the name card was on a tea. It was all really cute, and I just really appreciated it so much. Oh my god! What's your hairstyles here? Okay, we've got a cute little French braid. Oh my gosh! And then we've got, what do you call this style? Is that called the unicorn style?
I like unicorn queen.
Unicorn queen style. Yeah. Oh my, bubble braid. I have been so obsessed with Caesar salad lately. It's not even funny. I don't know why I'm so addicted, but then we went out to the golf course. We had a really great time. Honestly, it was not that serious, which is the best part. We had drinks and we chatted. We filmed TikTok videos. It was just a lot of fun. This is the dress I was wearing in 3 different sizes, and Ebony London was also rocking J's with me. She's gorgeous. This was our final dinner as a group, and it was really delicious. Then the following morning, it was the day that everyone kind of left. We had brunch by the pool, massages. I decided to do a little swimming. Again, a shrimp Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad. Wow. I was nervous that I was pushing over 50 pounds for my bag, so I shipped out some stuff at the FedEx in the hotel lobby, and then we made it to Las Vegas. I am at the MGM Grand. I met up with my siblings, and we just hung out for a little bit. You guys, I'm in Vegas, and I'm hanging on by a thread. I'm at the MGM right now, and I just got dressed. If you want to see my outfit, you can go to my TikTok, but I'm going out to dinner. I literally took like a 20-minute nap to just close my eyes. I'm headed to the Billboard Music Awards tomorrow, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the journey. But I am just like kind of waking up, so I'm not fully there yet. I have gotten used to laying out all my accessories and shoes on these trips because it just definitely helps me out. And then we went out to Kasi Beach Club afterward. We had so much fun, and we just turned down for the evening. I also had to put this clip in here because these shoes by Naked Wolf are really cute, but they're so tight and hard to take off and on. But this is the following day, and we got our COVID tests, our credentials, and the glam team came. So I got my glam done. Let me tell you, I have never had my hair this high. I felt like Miss Korea. I honestly felt so beautiful, and like I was almost getting married or something. This is us just walking in for the live event. This happens before the actual red carpet. So the red carpet happens around 5 o'clock. We went live around 2 or 3 or something like that. And yeah, we just walk down the carpet. We do the interview. You can see a little clip here. And honestly, doing this type of stuff really has expanded my just career horizons and makes me want to pursue kind of correspondence a little bit more. It was just a lot of fun, and it felt so natural for me. This dress is by Miss Circle. I loved it, and it was pretty affordable as well. Here is just another friend's outfit. I loved his lace shirt and how he styled it. I did a quick outfit change and I wanted to show you guys what happens when you walk the carpet. They'll have a name card for you so that the press can know your name. And then you walk down and you just start posing and people call out your name. It's kind of intimidating, but I've gotten a chance to do this a few times, so I feel pretty good. I'm inserting some of the Getty images as well and some of the press. It was a really great opportunity for me, so I'm just really, really grateful. Quick story time. I did run into someone who was wearing the same dress as me, and that is a big fear of mine, but we worked it and we got on BuzzFeed's radar, which was pretty cool. And I always say any press is good press. Here's just a photo of my shoes getting its own Getty image. It was just a dream come true. And this is the group that I went with and all the TikTokers. You would probably recognize a few faces. And then we went inside and watched performance and speech, and it was just so incredible. When I tell you guys, like, my life feels like a dream, I really mean it. And I just want to take an opportunity to say thank you to you guys just for watching this vlog if you've made it this far. And now, fast forward a few days, I kind of spent a week just being a couch potato, and we're headed to Los Cabos with Classy Network.
We made it to Mexico. We made it to Cabo San Lucas. Hopefully you can hear me because the wind is crazy. I just changed out my hat from the baseball cap that my brother's wearing to this little cowboy hat action because we're in Mexico. When in Mexico, you gotta wear the hat. But I brought my brother as my +1 for this trip, and we are drinking pina coladas. He's having a Corona. We're just gonna enjoy ourselves, and then our car is on the way. We met the man who's bringing the car around, but we'll see you at the hotel.
Oh, wow.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Let's do a quick room tour. Here is the bathroom. Really beautiful mirror. You look so good in that Brammy. The beds. They laid out all these beautiful items of clothes for me. I can't wait to try everything on and see how it fits. And then they've also got some sunglasses here, our itinerary for the weekend. And here is our view. There it is. Okay. Oh my goodness. So beautiful.
So once again, I laid out all of my shoes and accessories for that weekend, and when I see this clip, I don't know why, it just makes me so happy. But we had a little welcome band and some time to meet the team, and it just was so incredible. Here are all the girlies just taking a welcome shot. I don't know how I feel about posting me drinking alcohol, but I drank responsibly and I'm over 21, so yeah. Anyways, I'm sure you see a lot of familiar faces on TikTok, and here is my friend Monet just taking this shot like a champ. Okay, shout out Monet because she is a champ.
Erica, they're trying to take a picture.
Oh my God!
She's like, no way. Stop. Yes.
The girls taking photos, and here we are.
We're the colorful girlies.
We're the colorful girls.
Purple, orange.
Her.
We're next.
Okay, you guys, we're going to do a Cabana tour. Here is the Cabana girls. Oh my gosh, look how cute they look. Okay, yes. Look at them serving looks. Okay, here we've got a TV to watch all of our Netflix. The hot girls, just for the inspo. We've got like the couch situation, all the vlog cameras. We've got all the champagne and the bottles here, the dudes hanging out together, and the pool. Hey, cheers!
Guys, look at my date tonight.
And that was sent to our family chat, and we ended the evening just watching movies. The following day, we went on a boat trip. This was so fun.
Literally trying to take pictures, and Erica is holding on by a thread.
I want to sincerely apologize for my horrendous laugh. I created abs while on this trip because I just could not stop laughing with all the girls there. And they're just such a good time, so funny. This is me walking the plank. These are the rocks in Los Cabos. I've always wanted to go, and it was just so amazing. The food was great. This boat trip was just such a dream come true. I do think I got a little sick, not gonna lie, just because of how cold it was. And I lost this hat. That is a slow-mo clip of me losing that hat into the ocean. Good morning, you guys. Today is our last and final day here in Los Cabos. My brother and I just came to shoot some photos today, and then we're getting our COVID tests, and then we have a final dinner tonight, and then we leave tomorrow. So yeah, let's just shoot some pics. So the process of me shooting outfit photos is I look for a great location. This was just on the roof somewhere in front of my hotel room. I like a really minimal background. When it's too crazy, you can't really see the outfit. So that's the photo. If you want to take a look and show some love, go to my Instagram because I posted all of my outfits this trip on my Instagram.
Yes! Woo! Oh yeah! Wow. Hell yeah. She's a pro.
And to wrap up this vlog, I really want to emphasize how grateful I am to God for these opportunities. A year ago, I never thought I'd be doing the things that I'm doing right now. I feel like I'm living out my dreams, and I am in a position of privilege to be able to share this journey with you guys. When I started my YouTube page 6 years ago, I made videos every week in my college dorm room with a backdrop I built out of PVC pipes from Home Depot, hoping and dreaming I could even do half of what I've gotten to do. This video is not to brag, but to be a testament of faith and belief that God has a plan for you. And I don't want to be cheesy, but come on. As I edited this video, I teared up a few times, and I think it's okay to be kind of cheesy and cringe in life. That's how you know you're doing something right. Thank you for your time. I love you guys so much. Jesus love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.